Hey there, ever wondered how to make your jobber quotes and invoices truly yours? You've meticulously crafted your branding, the perfect logo, the ideal color palette, the consistent messaging. But then you send out a professional document from Jobber, and it's missing that crucial visual identifier. It's like baking a delicious cake but forgetting the frosting. That's the exact problem we're tackling today. How to seamlessly integrate your brand's cornerstone, your logo, into Jobber. Because let's be honest, in today's competitive landscape, professional presentation isn't just a bonus. It's a necessity. It builds trust, reinforces your legitimacy, and ultimately, helps close more deals. Imagine a client receiving a quote from you that instantly screams professional and established simply because your recognizable logo is right there at the top. That's the power we're unlocking. We're not just talking about a tiny little icon in the corner either. We're talking about making your logo a prominent feature on your client-facing documents, your quotes, invoices, and even your client hub. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about making a statement. It tells your clients that you pay attention to detail, that you're serious about your business, and that you're proud of the service you provide. Think about it from your client's perspective. They're likely getting multiple quotes, comparing services, and making important decisions. What makes your quote stand out? Beyond your excellent service and competitive pricing, it's the professional polish. A document with your logo instantly looks more legitimate, more trustworthy, and more memorable. It reinforces your brand identity and helps you stay top of mind. So, how do we achieve this branding nirvana within Jobber? It's surprisingly straightforward, and we're going to walk through it step by step. There are a few key areas where your logo will shine, and understanding each one will ensure your brand is consistently represented across all your client interactions. First things first, let's talk about where Jobber primarily uses your logo. It's prominently displayed on your quotes, invoices, and statements. It also makes an appearance in the Client Hub, which is your client's personalized portal for viewing their jobs, quotes, and invoices. This consistency across all touchpoints is crucial for building a strong, recognizable brand. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly touch on some best practices for your logo file itself. You want a high-resolution image, ideally in a common web-friendly format like PNG or JPG. PNG is often preferred because it supports transparency, which can be great if your logo has an irregular shape and you want it to blend seamlessly with the document background. Avoid pixelated or low-quality images. They'll do more harm than good. Think professional, crisp, and clear. Aim for a file size that's reasonable. You don't want to slow down loading times for your clients, but you also don't want a fuzzy image. Jobber will often resize your logo, but starting with a good quality original ensures the best outcome. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The process begins in your Jobber account settings. Step 1. Navigating to brand settings. Log in to your Jobber account. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll want to look for the settings gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on that. Within the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options. We're looking for something related to branding or company settings. In Jobber, this is typically found under company settings and then brand. Click on brand. Step 2. Uploading your logo. This is where the magic happens. On the brand page, you'll see an option to upload your company logo. There will usually be a clear button or an upload area. Click on it. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer for your logo file. Navigate to where your logo is saved. Select the file and click Open or Upload. Jobber will then process your logo. You might see a preview of it appear on the screen. This is your chance to make sure it looks correct and is positioned as you expect. Step 3. Previewing your logo on documents. Jobber is smart, and it usually provides a way to preview how your logo will appear on your quotes and invoices. Look for a preview button or a section that shows examples of documents with your logo. This is a critical step because it allows you to catch any issues before your clients see them. Take a good look at the preview. Is your logo clear? Is it too big or too small? Does it clash with any of the default Jobber colors? If you have any concerns, you might need to go back and resize your logo image or adjust its colors outside of Jobber. and then re-upload it. Sometimes, a little bit of trial and error with image dimensions can make a big difference in how your logo appears on the final document. Step 4. Customizing your brand colors. Optional but recommended. While we're in the brand settings, this is also an excellent opportunity to customize your brand colors within Jobber. Beyond just the logo, Jobber allows you to set primary and secondary brand colors. These colors will be used for various elements on your client-facing documents, such as headings, accents, and buttons. Using your brand colors alongside your logo creates a cohesive and professional look. It further reinforces your brand identity and makes your documents instantly recognizable as yours. You can usually input HEX codes for precise color matching, or use a color picker if you don't have the exact codes handy. Step 5. Saving your changes. Don't forget this crucial step. After uploading your logo and making any color adjustments, make sure to click Save or Apply Changes. If you navigate away from the page without saving, all your hard work will be lost. Beyond the basics, where else does your logo appear? As I mentioned, your logo also shows up in the Client Hub. This is automatically updated once you've uploaded your logo in the brand settings. The Client Hub is an often underestimated tool for client communication and professionalism, and having your logo there adds another layer of polish. It makes the Client Hub feel like an extension of your business, not just a generic platform. Additionally, if you're using Jobber's online booking features, your logo will often appear on your online booking form as well. This is fantastic for maintaining brand consistency from the very first interaction a potential client has with your business. It builds trust and familiarity right from the start. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.